Hello guys, how to fix if YouTube comments not showing on your iPhone or any other devices. If you fail to view your YouTube comments, then the first workaround on your iPhone, tap on App Store, and from the top right corner tap on your profile icon, and here go to update section, available updates. If you found YouTube updates available, then simply update this. Sometimes outdated may be a cause of your comments not showing or visible on your YouTube page. Thereafter, launch YouTube and open YouTube app of your iPhone or any other device. And here, make sure go to your home page of your YouTube and make sure that you have successfully logged in your YouTube app. Simply click on your profile icon and check whether you logged in or not. If you find you logged out, then log in. The next one is again launch YouTube app on your device, iPhone or any other device, and turn off restricted mode. Tap on your profile icon and here look for go to settings of your YouTube settings page and find out restricted mode. Here you will not find. Tap on again, open YouTube app and click on your profile icon and tap on your YouTube settings and here go to general settings and here you will find restricted mode. If you found it enabled, then simply disable it, because this restricted mode may restrict any comments to view you on your YouTube pages. So you must disable restricted mode on your YouTube page. The next one more fixes you must carry out. Tap on settings and scroll down and go to general settings. Scroll down and choose app iPhone storage and here look for YouTube, tap on it and clear YouTube caches. Simply tap on offload app. It will clear your YouTube app caches and finally reinstall app. This will definitely resolve your issue and you will able to view your YouTube comments on your YouTube.